You all seen the price of butter now? It's like $75 a pound. We're cooked. So this week we had another installment of our recipe costing class, and the topic came up about seasonal pricing. A lot of bakers tend to offer items that are only available for that particular season. So the question is, how do you price your items that you're only going to have for a specific season? For Valentine's Day, it's very common that a lot of bakers will be requesting strawberries, chocolates, and special packaging for that. When pricing seasonal items, the first thing that you need to know is your cost per unit. If your cupcake recipe had 50 grams of flour in the recipe, you're going to find out the cost of 1 gram of flour. If you are using a cake box and that cake box costs $15, you are going to factor in that, okay, per dozen, that $15 is now being added in to that price of the dozen cupcakes. Process to cost is actually a little bit of a math formula. You have to apply and you have to do it recipe by recipe. But once you find out the unit cost of your raw materials, it's really easy to just multiply that cost by the quantity and then find out the price per ingredient. And then, you find out the costing of your recipe. It sounds very complicated, but when you actually do it step by step, it's very easy. And let's not forget cost of utilities, rent if you are renting. And then once you find out those small things, you could then figure out how much profit you would want to make and price your ingredients accordingly. And for my consumer out there, usually seasonal items are priced a little higher than regular menu items.